In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Klaviyo for beginners in the realm of DIY email marketing. When diving into the world of email marketing, one of the foundational steps is seamlessly importing your contacts into your marketing platform, and Klaviyo is a great tool for that purpose. Let's walk through the process together and ensure that your contacts are set up and ready for your upcoming campaigns. First, before we even open Klaviyo, it's important to prepare your CSV file meticulously. Think of this step as setting the stage for everything that follows. Make sure your data is clean and organized in a spreadsheet, then save it as a CSV file, which is the required format. Now, heading into some specifics, your document should feature standard column headers like email, first name, last name, and phone number. A key point to remember is that the email column is absolutely mandatory. Without it, your import process won't go smoothly. Also, take a moment to clear away any unnecessary spaces, special characters, or duplicates in the file. Doing this will ensure the import process is smooth and error-free. Once your CSV is properly organized, hop into your Klaviyo account by logging in. After you've signed in, you'll land on the dashboard where the magic begins. On the left-hand menu, find and click on Audience. This is your gateway to all the lists and segments where your contacts can be imported and categorized. Next, look for the Lists and Segments option. Here, you'll face a choice. You can either create a brand new list or select an existing one. If you're starting fresh, click Create New, otherwise select the list that meets your current needs. Once inside the list, you might notice a drop-down labeled as Manage List. Give it a click and navigate toward Import Contacts. This is the step where your meticulously prepared CSV file is about to come into play. Following this, click on Upload File and carefully select the CSV file you prepared earlier. With your file uploaded, it's time to give your data a quick once over. Verify the details of your import thoroughly to ensure everything looks right and nothing is amiss. If all looks good, proceed by ticking the box confirming that you have consent to send emails to these contacts. Consent is important because it's a requirement for ethical marketing practices and often legal compliance too. Now, with everything in place, click Import and let Klaviyo do its thing. It might take a moment, so sit tight while the magic happens. Once the process is complete, your contacts should be ready and waiting in your chosen list, poised for your next brilliant campaign. Congratulations, you have successfully imported your contacts into Klaviyo. Understanding this process is vital as you build and refine your email marketing strategy, ensuring effective and personalized communication with your audience.